You search for how to buy shares of Exela Technologies Pref, so let's cover the basics. Exela Technologies Pref are preferred shares linked to Exela Technologies, a business process automation and document services company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker XELAP. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker XELAP to find the listing. Make sure you select the Exela Technologies Pref entry that matches the NASDAQ ticker to locate the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent trading activity. Confirm the name, ticker, and exchange so you are certain this is the correct security before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market on open or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before it completes the purchase. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform shown in this example.